Diane and you're watching Diana's Kusina. For today's video, we are gonna make 3 things out of 1 chicken. We are making some chicken salad, thin crust pizza, and soy garlic ginger fried chicken. So let's get started. So what I'm gonna do is to cut this portions that I'm gonna use the breast for pizza, the salad, and then others are just fried chicken. Just to take note, I'm not a chef. I'm just self-taught, home cook. No! Okay, I'm just gonna cut the legs first.
Using a sharp knife, find the joint of the legs so it will be easier to cut.
Yes!
Do the same thing to the other leg. As you can see, it is a struggle at first, but once you find the joint, your knife will just slide through.
Oh my god! Oh my god! That's easy part, great.
Now I will do the rest of the chicken starting from its wings. I am not sure with this, but no one will know, right?
Yeah!
Then grab a scissors to easily remove the breast from the ribs.
Oh yeah! Oh my god! I've heard that I need to pop something. I thought I need to pop something.
Cut the rest of the chicken to smaller portions to easily cook it. Of course, the many, the merrier. For the half portion of the chicken breast, fillet an estimated portion that you will use for our pizza and a portion for our salad. Butterfly the chicken breast for easily cooking.
I'm tamad na. I'm gonna cut it anyway as well.
Cut small strips that we will use for the pizza. Arrange the chicken in this manner to evenly season it with salt and pepper. Then preheat the pan. Prepare flour, season it with salt and pepper, then add garlic powder. Add enough oil. Place the chicken in the flour mixture, then remove the excess flour before frying it. Make sure the pan is hot before putting the chicken. Leave the chicken until skin is deep golden brown. 10 minutes for the wings and 12 minutes for thighs, legs, and breast.
I'm gonna prepare the chicken for the pizza. Chicken for the pizza is this one. I don't know how to focus this.
Season your chicken strips with salt, pepper, and Italian seasoning. Just for your reference, I use McCormick Italian seasoning. To save time, add the chicken strips to the pan while cooking the fried chicken. Cooking time will be faster for your chicken strips. Around 5 to 7 minutes will be fine. While we are frying our chicken, we can proceed to our chicken pizza. We will use a whole wheat wrap and we'll cut it into half later so it can fit inside our oven toaster. Yes, you've heard it right, an oven toaster. First, we have to cut our onions, split it into half, and remove the skin. Slice the onions pole to pole like this. I only copied what I saw on the internet. Then dismantle it for nice presentation. I only have 1 green pepper. Choose green pepper so that it will be a contrast color from our pizza sauce. Cut it lengthwise for nice presentation. Now it's time to assemble our pizza. First, spread our pizza sauce. To make this pizza sauce, 2 tablespoons of tomato paste. Then 1 tablespoon of tomato sauce. Season it with salt and pepper. Adding Italian seasoning is optional. It should taste like marinara sauce and not sweet like ketchup. Place the chicken nicely and evenly. Make it artistic on how you want your pizza to look like. Then add green peppers. Add onions and top it up with cheese. You can put more cheese, but for me, this is perfect. Don't forget to cut it in half to fit inside your oven.
This is it. Yeah guys, that's how it looks like inside the oven toaster. That's why I'm cooking it half and half. Ilaw natin. Taasan natin. Gumagabi na.
While we are baking our pizza, we can now proceed to our chicken breast for our salad. Just season it with salt and pepper. I wanted to save oil when cooking this, so I reused the oil from the fried chicken. Then cook each side for 6 minutes. For the meantime, we have some words from our Kusinera.
I don't know what's gonna happen after this pandemic. Let's be together. Through sickness and health. Sickness and in health, what is that?
I don't know about you, but in our family, we rarely make salad as we prefer to eat rice plus any dish. So please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel to help me get through this. First, cut the greens. I don't know what it's called, but it's greens. Then add tomatoes. Cut it and how you want to eat it. This is how I remember the last time I ate salad, which is 1 year ago. Add our leftover onions and green peppers from our pizza dish.
Some cucumber.
Cucumber. I always eat this when I'm trying to lose some weight. Cut it in half and then diagonally. Found some olives inside our fridge. No idea if it expired, but I hope not. Cut it like this. Do you eat olives alone? I don't, but I've heard it has a lot of benefits. So let's give it a try.
And then the chicken.
Lastly, cut the chicken horizontally and make it presentable.
Beautiful.
Easy salad dressing. Some balsamic vinegar, olive oil, honey, then squeeze half a lemon. Season it with salt and pepper. Give it a mix. Then it's done! Now let's proceed to our soy garlic ginger sauce. Melt some butter, then saute some minced garlic and ginger. Add 5 tablespoons of soy sauce, 2 tablespoons of honey, mix it well, then add 2 tablespoons of sugar. That's for the sauce. Let's now add our chicken. Mix it well and make sure every chicken is coated with our sauce. Now that we're almost done, leave a comment and tell me your favorite dish. Also, follow me on my Instagram accounts and don't forget to tag me when you create these dishes. And our final step, sprinkle some sesame seeds.
There you have it, guys. I have 3 dishes in 1 chicken. So let me know how you did it, and yeah, like and subscribe. See you next time. Bye. That has a CCTV and has a chicken.